there was this issue about PTF, and that was being chaired by General Buhari, as he then was retired. And Ikimi told General Abacha to his face, Your Excellency, this PTF is one-sided. It's doing more projects in one part of the country, as if the other part of the country doesn't matter. I come from where the oil money is coming from. That is the zone I come from. And the money they are spending is so-called increase in the price of petroleum product. And yet, his own community don't know that this fund exists. His own state, his own sub-region, they're not getting the presence of PTF compared to other places. So if the PTF sees itself in the manner it seems to see itself as a regional development agency, then it should be scrapped. I'm like, who is this man who can talk to head of state Abacha? So bold, so frank, with other generals there. And of course, what makes it interesting to me is the fact that the part of the country he accused of benefiting more, whether he was right or wrong is a different matter, but those were his views, is where Abacha come from. The very man that made him minister and who can decide tomorrow to drop him. So that courage to speak in the manner he did to General Abacha, yeah, I started to admire him for that. I like courageous people.